welcome to my channel. My name's Emily and I do homeschooling videos with my 4-year-old daughter. During lockdown we're just sharing our ideas, and at the moment we've just kind of got into the swing of things where I'm replacing her nursery that she normally goes to on a Monday, cylch, a Welsh one, with just setting up like they do at home. So she just has different stations around the room where she can go and play and explore and stuff. So this morning I'm going to take you around what she's doing, but I've also decided, seeing as we've just had a big pear tree cut down in our garden and Rosie got to see all the birds, and a baby seagull has fallen off our roof onto the bathroom roof, and she's fascinated with that we're going to do a little bird project. So some of the activities are linked with birds. Now the pack that I printed off is from a website called 1+1+1, hang on, it's not right, www.1+1+1=1.com. Okay, the maths isn't right, but that's what she calls her website. And it's, I've printed off a lot of the different things, laminated some of the bits. So I'll turn you around and show you what her cylch is this morning. So, bird related, she has in her learning tray a little maths pattern thing. She's not coming near here at the moment because I haven't been using them properly recently, just because her play mess has just been piling up. She also has a little vet's surgery role play to do with her new dolly. So she's got a monkey, a rabbit and 2 dogs to tend to with her little vet jacket. Then with her other dolly, this is Mika, she will be decorating a bird, and I have an example up there for her. She can do whatever bird she likes, and she's also going to stick those birds in the nest, and then we're going to put them in our tree, our rainforest tree that never came down. She has a puzzle with no picture to do with her little doll Emmy. She has some Welsh books and our British handbook of British birds with her Jenny. Dolly is sitting near some blocks to play with her princesses. And this one's called Mila, and she is sitting waiting to play battleships for the first time with Rosie. So I'll show you how she gets on. I might not be able to show you battleships just because I think Daddy's going to have to help her. So it's going to be, I'm going to have to be involved and probably won't be able to film too much. So. Little bird, fly around, up to the sky, down to the ground. Little bird, flap your wings, open your beak, and sweetly sing. Little bird, fly to your nest. Now it is time to take a rest. Beautiful job, baby. So we've just got back from the park and we're going to look up some birds we saw in our bird book. I'm also going to use one of the smaller notebooks that I have that's blank for her when we sit in the garden, and she can draw the little bird and put markings on it and write down how big it was compared to and different things like that. So she's going to have a little bird spotting book to fill in. And we're probably just going to have a bit of a bird watch and see what else the baby seagull gets up to today. So yeah, this is the end of the first half of our bird project. So for now it's ta-ta from me and ta-ta from the Rosie Bear.